you eating? What you eating?
Muffins.
What kind of muffin?
Blueberry muffins.
Blueberry muffin. And what you watching?
Movie Mac.
Max and Ruby.
Rookie's getting you. Bless you. Bless you, baby.
Good morning.
I want my dad.
Yeah?
I want my dad.
Good morning, everybody. I feel like I have so much to do today, but I'm starting off with we are going to Chris's soccer game today, so that will be a lot of fun. What else? I'm going on a girls trip to Vegas pretty soon, which is crazy because I have never really slept away from the boys yet, but I think it'll be really good for me and I think I really need it. So my hope is that I can find some clothes today that fit me. I've been having such a hard time. Everything I've ordered in the mail doesn't fit me. I ordered non-maternity clothes because I'm only 5'2". A lot of maternity clothes don't fit me very well. But honestly, I just want to live in this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm sorry because I know you've seen these pajamas like a million times, but they're so soft and I just feel like, yeah, she's really sticking out lately. And I just feel like it'll be really good for like nursing and stuff once she's born. So I went ahead and like ordered every other color that they had after I got these in the mail. I got some more pajamas. I got some swimsuits for Vegas. I'll show them all right now. So I was saying everything is from Adore Me. I'll have my link below in the description box. But honestly, you're going to be seeing a lot of these pajamas because I honestly don't want to take them off. And I totally recommend them. I feel like a lot of you already know about Adore Me because when I keep mentioning it on my stories and on my Instagram posts, you guys are like, oh my gosh, best pajamas ever. But they also have like lingerie, like underwear, bras, cute little outfits. They have workout gear. They have a ton of stuff, not just pajamas, but since I'm pregnant, I'm really loving the pajama portion. You want to say hi to Ella? Look at this big belly. Oh my gosh. She kept me up all night last night, so this should be interesting. Like, I need to get my pregnancy pillow out today because I seriously slept for a total of like 3 hours last night and I had to just sleep sitting up because of whatever position she was in. So Adore Me has a VIP membership program. It's $39.95 a month and you get to choose a new bra and underwear set each month, and then every 6th purchase is free. Your first set is $19.95 when you join, and you have the option to skip months as well. You can choose from any new products each month and have access to sales and early releases, and they offer free shipping and exchanges. These bathing suits I got here, I actually exchanged for a larger size, and that process was super easy. And I'm glad that I waited to make this video so that I could tell you just how easy that was since I actually experienced it myself. And they have new collections like swimwear, The Beautiful Bride, AM by Adore Me, and like I said, the pajamas are to die for. And it's so funny because so many of you have said on Instagram that you already have their pajamas, and I wish I had known about them earlier. They're so soft and they're just amazing, and a lot of women said they were awesome for postpartum too, for nursing. Like this pajama set, it's seriously the softest material that you've ever worn in your entire life. I will have all of this linked below in my description box, so make sure to check out Adore Me. I know you'll love it. What are we doing, Pooh Bear? We watching Daddy play soccer?
Let's Daddy go.
Daddy's kicking the ball. Say, go, Daddy, go. Tanner, you got pouch all over your nose.
There it is, buddy. Wait. I'm here.
Ready? Throw it. Woo! Yay! So we came home from Chris's game a little early and got some breakfast. He hurt his hamstring a little bit, so we're hoping that gets better. What do you think, Tanner? You ready for some bagel and cream cheese and some fruit? Mmm. Carter's getting some fruit.
What's that?
That's a pineapple.
That.
Mmm.
So delicious.
So delicious.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. People come and they go. Every time I find the same thing. Can't pretend to know why it's always this way. Then life's got to take its toll on you. 'Cause you won't be there like I want you to.
Just got home. It was nice going to the mall. Actually, I feel like I did pretty well. I just got like a lot of things that were form-fitting for my bump because everything that was baggy just looked like a parka and it just wasn't cute. Now I'm just eating some barbecue chips and the boys are playing outside. I really need a tan. Hannah, did you have fun in the sand table? It looks like it. No. This has been one of my biggest cravings. Tanner, you back for some more, baby? Here you go.
More?
You want more too? You want some of this on it?
Yes.
Knew you'd like that.
Because he's my cream cheese boy, like mommy, huh?
Sorry.
Hi, Ella. You guys making a fort? Anyone? Hello?
No. Just pillows on the floor.
What's Tan Man doing? Oh no. Okay, so I just went upstairs to bring my bags in from the car finally, and I got this little bag. I'm showing you like the accessories first. These little bracelets I thought were really cute. Little hat. And then this pretty necklace. This is from Charlotte Russe, super pretty. And then all three of these things were from Primark. So I just got done trying everything on and actually love it, which is surprising because like I said, it's really hard to find stuff. Everything's non-maternity but super cute, but I'm gonna wait to show it to you until my Vegas vlog because I am gonna vlog when I'm there. But I'm literally out of breath from trying on clothes. That's just sad. I don't know how I'm gonna be walking around Vegas. Pray for me, guys. Has any of you ever gone to Vegas pregnant?
Just another night at the Beastons.
Yep.
What's for dinner?
Barbecue chicken salad. What else? Oh, where's our corn? We put corn in the salad. Tanner's a hungry man. You a hungry man?
That is great.
Amen.
Amen.
Yay.
Amen, Tanner. And his salads. He loves salad.
All the napkins are
Mm. Update. The boys ate a little bit of their salad. Tanner threw most of it on the floor. And now they're having some Danimals.
I did a good job.
You did a good job, honey. And this is my dessert because, my lord, my acid reflux lately is not good. So we just came inside. It's about 6:15 and we're just cleaning up the kitchen. And Chris is vacuuming the living room. I would show you, but Carter's running around butt naked. What are you doing in there? Is that your bed? That's the doggy's bed.
That's my bed.
Well, we can't get Carter.
I know. One by one, Little ones stop to have some fun. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Who? Keeping me down here with the dogs. They get the head of the bed. They get the foot of the bed. It ain't right. But gotta do what you gotta do.
Where's your dance moves? Tanner, dancey dance.
What?
Sweetheart. Come on, Mom, put you in your crib.
Daddy.
You want Daddy to put you in? Okay.
I love you so much.
Here's the chicken in here. I love you. No, that's not it. Little control on it. It's a pet toy. Aww. Okay. Can I have a hug? Give me a hug.
Mommy will eat us.
Give me a hug. Alright guys, so we're gonna end it here. It's almost 9:30 and it's way past my bedtime, but I'm editing some things for you on some things. What am I saying? I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm editing some videos for this week to go up, and yeah, I hope you liked our day, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Right, babe?
That's right.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.